The committee has advised me that, in its view, COVID-19 remains a global health emergency, and I agree.
That means 3 years since the World Health Organization declared COVID a public health emergency of international concern, the UN agency's highest alert level remains in effect. But the organization and its advisors acknowledge the COVID-19 pandemic is probably at a transition point, where higher levels of immunity can lower virus-related deaths. And the WHO's Director General saying Monday, there's no doubt that we're in a far better situation now than a year ago. Still, he adds,
since the beginning of December, weekly reported deaths have been rising.
In the past 8 weeks alone, he says, more than 170,000 people have lost their lives to COVID worldwide.
That's just the reported deaths. We know the actual number is much higher.
Globally confirmed COVID fatalities are nearing 7 million, more than 50,000 deaths reported here in Canada. And from the International Red Cross, it concludes in a new report that the world is dangerously unprepared for future pandemics, with the organization's Secretary General saying Monday the next one could be just around the corner.
Hopefully it's not, but we don't know.
The head of the world's largest disaster response network is calling on all countries to update their preparedness plans by the end of the year, saying COVID should be a wake-up call.
There will be no excuse for a continued lack of preparedness after having gone through 3 terrible years. We know preparedness saves lives.
The Red Cross is also advising nations to step up protections not only against outbreaks, but also climate-related disasters. Melissa Duggan, City News.